Hello lovelies and welcome back to my channel. This is Intuitive Tarot with me, Momma Core. Today I'm going to be reading for Virgo, my earth sign subscribers. I'm sorry I've been gone for a little bit, but I've literally been doing some inspirational speaking at a conference and I literally had to take a few days off because doing these talks is actually quite draining, but yeah, inspiring people and impacting people and giving people hope and guidance is, as you know, something that I really like, and yeah, I feel positive and uplifted. So yeah, let's get started. So this is for your Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus, or if you're a cross watcher and you're interested in, you're madly in love with, or you just want to know how your Virgo ex is doing, then all cross watchers are welcome. All I ask is that you just wish good things upon people. No negativity please, because karma is a bee and it'll end up coming back on me, biting you in the booty. Nobody wants it. Let's... Got it. Right, let's start with the singing bowl. Oh, it's going to be an interesting one today. Right, let's just turn the volume down just a little bit so it doesn't hurt your ears, okay? And again. So I've changed things up when I was away doing my talk. I actually got a few things. I got some new flowers and I got this. My son thought it was a butterfly, but it's not a butterfly. Because I'm crazy about butterflies, especially blue butterflies. So I got that to go in memory. Yeah, nothing really has changed here except that I've changed out my fairy, my winter fairy, and put Santa up here. And I got this amazing candle, oh my god, and it's blackberry. A bit of a candle freak, guys, a bit of a candle freak, but nothing wrong with that. So I'm gonna go with the Light Seers Tarot today. Ooh! Oh. Okay, do you want me to take them? I'm guessing, oh my god. Oh, okay. Communication. What? Okay, okay. Communication from a fire sign by the looks of it. This fire sign can't wait. This fire sign's like, I ain't holding back no longer. Right, let me turn these cards the proper way. Yeah, this fire sign is going to do whatever they can to communicate with you, to show you how much they care about you, by the looks of it. Because I hadn't even shuffled the cards and this person was coming through. They're fed up of being in their head because it's now in reverse. So they're going to go from being up in their heads to actually communicating and telling you how they really feel. Somebody that's been really working hard on their pentacles, really working hard on, it's like I see somebody like, okay, I want to come towards Virgo, I want to come towards my earth sign, but I don't want to come towards them just like any old way. I don't want to come in half-hearted. I want to come in and I want to show them like how amazing I am. It's like I see them doing these like really cute romantic gestures for you. because they're not indecisive anymore. They're choosing you. Oh, and they're all up in their heads. All up in their heads. They've been thinking long and hard about you and how they're going to come forward to you, and it's like I feel like I'm planning and going over something. I've got the Emperor, but I've also got the King of Swords here. So this person, maybe before, they always ruled with their head over their heart because they've been hurt and they didn't want to give their all to you, because they were scared that if they give their all to you and they show their vulnerability, then all of a sudden, oh, I've left myself vulnerable. And if I leave myself vulnerable, then that means that Virgo can just go, no, I don't want to be with you. Even though I really, really want to be with Virgo, even though like I dream and I long. This is my happily ever after. I see my whole life with Virgo. But I feel like they held back for a while because they were so scared that you were just going to go, no, I don't want this. And that would have been devastating, right? It would have been devastating. But they've been in this cycle for weeks, maybe months, going over the, oh my God, I can't get Virgo out of my head. All I do is dream about them. All I do is long for Virgo. I have to tell them. I have to open the lines of communication and be vulnerable. Even though I don't want to be. Even though I'm scared to my wits, I can't hold back any longer. Virgo, I choose you. Virgo, I'm moving towards you. I'm leaving what no longer serves me, and I'm moving towards you because you bring me happiness. Bug, that just tried to come out. Yeah, you bring me happiness. It's like even when I'm having a really, really stressful day at work or whatever they do every day, I see this person. This Emperor is a hard worker. They don't want to play games anymore, Virgo. You might see this fire sign as this player, this person who has always had lots of options, right? I feel like for a while, even though you were like unbelievably attracted to this person, you sort of ripped their clothes off. They scared the life out of you. Definitely Leo and Sagittarius, like I'm getting that so strong. My heart's like right? We like that fire sign energy. Can I just have one more, please? Ooh. Oh my days. This person is leveling up. This person is leveling up for you. This person sees you. It's like you are thriving, you're abundant, you're everything that you do, whether it's work, whether it's home life, whether it's family, friends, everything in your life is like literally falling into place. It's starting to really, really flourish. And this person is really, really starting to see that. Really starting to see how much you're doing, how much you're glowing, what you're doing. And they are mesmerized by you. This person, your fire sign, and I think they've got earth. They got it. They definitely. I don't think. I know. I can feel it. They've got Earth in their chart. Definitely a rising sign, an Earth rising sign. They were so upset and so confused and so lost when you came into their life. I see that, yes, I'm happy where I am, but I'm not fulfilled. And I feel like when you came into this person's life, Virgo, even though they didn't admit to you, I think when you meet them, I feel like this person's gonna be so vulnerable with you. They're not gonna be vulnerable over text, they're not gonna be vulnerable over the phone or anything like that. This person really appreciates talking to somebody. Oh, sorry guys, it was one of the boys' Christmas presents. Right, yeah, this person really appreciates communication, but it's not just any communication. It's like, I want to look in your eyes and I want to explain to you why things happened, why things went on the way they did, why I have been acting the way I have. And I don't feel like they just want to text it to you. Like, there's not enough emotions there. They want to see the way that you react when they're telling you things. They want to be there physically, and they want to show you that they're there. They're ready to do whatever they can to be there for you, to be that support system there for you. Even if this doesn't go into a relationship, I feel like this person just really longs to just be a support system for you, and they hope that you're going to be that for them. I know, darling, I know. I won't be long, okay? Yeah, Mummy will be there now. You just got to get into bed, okay? Right, Patchy, get into bed. Move in. Kiss, quick. Kiss. Right, get into bed. Bed. Into bed. Bed. Good boy. I've taken him in because the other dogs are like fighting. Yeah, I do see this person making major efforts to show you why they've acted the way that they have. I feel like this person's all up in their heads. They're either really depressed, or they're going through and ending a really shitty, tough karmic cycle. They're just coming out of a really dark place, and they see you as being this key. I'll put up a picture for you. There's actually a key here, and this key is the key to this amazing doorway to their happiness, and they see that as you. Yeah, they see you as their happiness. This is the King of Pentacles, guys. This is somebody who is stable, somebody who is nurturing, grounded, somebody that's worked really hard to get where they are. And I feel like I can see this person's leveled up. This person's gone from being that player, gone from being indecisive, gone to wanting every single option, to only wanting you. I feel like this person's loved you for a long time, but their childish ways got in the way of being able to show you I feel deep down, I'm the King of Pentacles, okay? This is what your masculine is going through, or vice versa. Energy is fluid. I feel like I'm the King of Pentacles, and I feel like I absolutely am crazy about somebody, madly in love with somebody. They are the best thing since sliced bread, right? But I feel like I'm so scared of losing this person because they mean so much to me that it would just be easier just to play the field, to go with somebody else, even though I don't love the other person as much as I love Virgo. I feel like I'm really upset because I'm seeing somebody move on because I wasn't able to stand up to the plate. Like I wasn't able to show somebody how much I cared for them. And because I didn't show somebody I cared, they moved on by rights, you know? And I feel like I've missed so many opportunities with this person that I absolutely adore, with this person that I am absolutely crazy about. I just feel like I've never ever loved anybody as much as I love you. That's what I'm feeling. And I feel like an opportunity, my last opportunity has come up. By the grace of God, by the divine, I've got one more opportunity. One more opportunity for this happily ever after. It's like, oh my God, somebody definitely looking down on me up there and blessing me, because they've brought the love of my life back into my life again, and I can't miss out on this opportunity again. I can't miss out on this opportunity and not show this person that I love them, because then if I do that, they're going to meet somebody else, because they're amazing. They're absolutely amazing and they deserve to meet somebody else. They deserve to be loved. And if I don't get I'm really starting to itch now, so I'm feeling, yeah, this person's all up in their head and I'm feeling itchy and feeling like, oh. If I don't get my shit together, I'm gonna lose this person. So this person has been working their fingers to the bone to get their shit together. Their pentacles. I feel like I'm doing things that I've never done before. It's like I'd normally eat fast food. Instead of like I finish work or something, I would just go and get a takeaway. Instead of doing that, I'm choosing to eat healthy because I want to be mentally, physically, internally perfect for you. I want to be thriving for you. You've given me that kick up of the arse that I've needed for a long time. You've given me my thirst back for life. Whew, I'm so itchy and so itchy. When this person opens the lines of communication at first, I feel like it's going to be very, very simple. How are you? I'm coming towards you. Can we meet up for Christmas? Can we meet up over the Christmas period? I feel like this person is, going to make, even though they want to shout from the rooftops how much they are crazy about you, how much they adore you, I don't feel like they're going to do that at first, because that whole situation scares the shit out of them. They see you as this empress. You've got everything going for you. They hope and pray that everything's gonna work out. And I feel like that they secretly hope that you feel the same way that you used to feel for them, if this is reconciliation. If it isn't reconciliation, you know your story more than I do. This isn't impersonal. If this isn't reconciliation and this is totally new, I feel like you're gonna know this person. It's like when you meet this person, you're gonna be shocked. You're gonna be like, I feel like I've known you. I feel like I've met you before. I feel like I've spent many lifetimes with you. And that's because you have. Let there be closeness between you, but always give each other space. Love never claims, it simply allows and gives. I think it's really, really important in any relationship that you do give each other space. I think, yes, it's good to have time together, like spending quality time together and stuff like that. I agree that. But I also really believe that you both need separate, like, time on your own, or time with the guys, time with the girls. You know, you go off with your family, they go off with their family. Just so you can have your own space. So when you do come back together, you like appreciate each other more. Because I think once you, even like in the start where you're like crazy about each other, you're like totally consumed with each other, you know, just be like aware that even though you do want to spend every waking moment, this is a divine union. You're going to spend the rest of your life with each other. So you've got plenty of time to spend together, just you two. Enjoy time together. You don't have to spend every waking moment with each other. And I do feel like it's really beneficial for each other to have time alone. It really, really is, guys. My beloved, though we may be physically apart, spiritually we are always united. For love transcends space and time, nothing is missing. I do feel with this that there isn't any communication at the moment. I do feel like the lines of communication are opening. They're not open yet, but they are opening. And I do feel like that even though you're missing this person terribly, and I feel like most nights you're like getting so in your head and getting so frustrated because you just want this person to reach out to you. You just want this person to talk to you because you don't understand why they're ghosting you. You don't understand why they're not talking. It's because they're going through this karmic cycle. It's because they're ending it and they're walking away from it. And they don't want to just tell you that, oh yeah, I've just gone through this, and by the way, I've just gone through this. Like, that's going to shock you, you know? But I feel like when you sat down with each other, maybe have a drink together, I feel like the way they're going to word it when they're with you is going to be totally different from sending a text. Because sometimes somebody can text you and that message will come across so differently because it's through a text and you can't tell the way somebody's trying to tell you their story. Just be patient with this person, okay? Power. You instinctively know what is right for you, and you have the power to say yes or no, or to walk away at any time. You may not always understand why certain things happen. However, there is always a higher purpose to every event in your life. Through turmoil, a blessing will soon be revealed. And I feel like that is for the cross watcher. That is for this fire sign more than you, Virgo. Because I do honestly feel like they are going through a really, really hard time at the moment. And that's why the lines of communication have not been fully open, but I feel like they are getting the strength together to be able to tell you what is going on. This is the White Rose Guidance Divine Love Messages Volume 2 at White Rose Guidance. She's on YouTube, guys. Go and check her out. She's amazing. One of my favourite YouTubers, tarot readers on here. I can't talk. Let her know that Momma Core sent you. I want you by my side. You are my secret passion. How do I get you alone? You are my destiny. You are my favourite work of art. Your name is following me everywhere. I told you, this person's crazy about you. Your beauty and grace captures me. Things aren't always as they seem. It's heartbreaking we can't have more than we do now. And that is why they're moving towards you. Like I said, they can't cope with what's going on at the moment, and they want you so badly that they can't bear life without you anymore. Facing my reflection is more than I can handle. Twin flame. I want more with you one day. I could listen to your voice for days on end. And if you're on social media, they are definitely checking you out. They've definitely saved pictures of you. They've definitely rewatched videos of you. Is Virgo making a little bit of extra effort just in case they are putting pictures or videos online? Just in case a certain somebody sees you? Light. The light fairy queen of light. Let me say that again. Light. The fairy queen of light comes to shed love and light onto your current situation, and to remind you that light can penetrate darkness. That light is the universe showing you and your love interest where you're meant to be going. It's showing you that path. Virgo, cross watcher, look, this is who you love. This is where you want to be. All you need to do is get the courage and the strength to walk. Walk down this path, because you know at the end of this path is your love, your wish fulfillment, your happy ever after. Even though it might be scary, even though there might be some hurdles to overcome on this path, together you can overcome anything. It's beautiful. Wait for winter. During the colder months, the fairy queen of winter will help you manifest your most heartfelt wishes, as long as your intentions are of highest good of all. you're coming together over winter. Just saying. Can I have a chakra card for Virgo, please? Chakra card for Virgo. Just one, please, spirit guides. Thank you. Woo! And could I have 2 romance messages for Virgo? Just 2, please. And one more. Woo! Okay. 3. You deserve love, and unrequited love in reverse, and passion. Allow your heart and soul to sing with joy. And we had unrequited love in reverse. It says there is not enough attraction or chemistry to keep this romance or relationship going, but it's in reverse because it's showing you, even though this person tried to show you for a long time that there was unrequited love here, secretly they have passion, secretly they love you, and they're about to tell you how much they love you, because the lines of communication are now opening. Root chakra. I don't know how to say that. Danara. I can't say that. You are of the earth as you are of heaven. Allow the greatest mother of all to support and nourish you. You are provided for in all ways. You are safe. This is just reminding you that even though it's scaring the wits out of you to like go up towards your love interest, to see your own reflection, if this is twin flame, this divine union, you know, it is scary to like go up towards somebody like that and be vulnerable. But it's saying to you, this is okay, everything's going to work out, you are safe. This is true wish fulfillment, guys. And you deserve it. You deserve this happiness. And coming together over the Christmas season is perfect. Absolutely perfect. And I am so happy for you. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for your support on my channel. It truly means the world to me, guys. I can't thank you enough. Seeing my channel grow as much as it has over the last couple of months has just blown my mind. It really, really has. And being able to talk to you, I talk to quite a lot of you on Instagram. It's up here. It's at the Momma Core. So if you want to reach out to me, I do reply to every single one of you. Yeah, you're more than welcome to message me. Thank you so much for your love and support. May love and light guide you on your amazing spiritual journey. I'll see you next time, Virgo. Bye.